Welcome back to the channel. As you can see behind me, there is this really special car, at least for us. It's the latest version of the 911. It's the 992 GT3 car. Guys are already working on some alignment and preparing the car for the track. We mounted the new compound of Nangang AR1s. We're going to test the car with these tires and compare it to the old CUP 2s and the Trofeo it used to run with. And we are really excited because we have the opportunity to get our hands on a double wishbone 911, which for us is the main attribute that makes the car so special. As they say, the devil is in the details. A few days ago, we had in the same position our 991, as you all seen in the previous video. So you can easily spot the main differences between those cars. This is a more aero-based car, especially under the floor and behind the wheels. You can see a lot of elements that makes huge difference. Also the big rear wing. But you can see also the support on the strut towers that these cars are famous for having issues. Compared to the 911 we own, which is equipped with McPherson front system, the differences are huge. First of all, you notice that the car is softer on, and it's in a more digressive setup on the dampers, and we're really excited about what can we get out of this 992. The guys were gonna finish the alignment anytime soon, and we're gonna test and compare with the 991. This car is amazing. You can literally carry so much speed in the corner that it's absurd. After a few hours spent at the workshop dialing the 992, we came up with a mild setup and we've driven it on track. Truth is that is a completely different car than the 991, which is behind me. Actually, we had the time to give them a run, so they felt different. Actually, if you black out the dashboard and everything, you say it's not a 911, most of us would believe it. The 992 is a more progressive car, a digressive setup on the suspension, and felt amazing. It could carry a lot more speed in the entrance. The aero is more than obvious, you can feel it while driving it. While the 991 is a completely different beast. You have to fight for that fast lap, and if you are not on spot, then it will fight back. Besides the alignment, one of the biggest changes we did in the 992 was the Nangang AR1s, and we also used them in the 991, and we verified once again that the tire is on its optimum and it can be consistent for more laps than the competition, which is the Trofeo R and the Cup 2. So this gives the opportunity to the driver to make up for the lost time or find a spot here and there and actually improve, because he can have a consistent tire that will won't let him down in a couple of laps. And this is a major thing, especially on the 991, because it's driven through times with different styles and drivers, but also on the 992, because its owner want to be on the track lapping continuously. So all in all, we have two different platforms, and each one of them has its own unique characteristics. Stay tuned for more action, and let us know in the comments what do you want to see from Trackspeed. Subscribe, like, and share the passion. Thank you.